Have you ever wondered how to market your videos on YouTube? Do you often wonder how to reach the optimum level through marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of YouTube marketing skills? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about 5 ways to market your YouTube videos. Now let's get into it. If you're currently uploading videos onto YouTube for more potential business or are looking to do so, then this video is just for you. Because inside, you will learn a vast amount of ways to get traffic to your website by using YouTube. As you already know, YouTube is very popular. In fact, it's so popular that it's currently ranked one of the top 10 sites on the internet in terms of the amount of internet traffic that it gets. So if you're not marketing on YouTube or are using it ineffectively, you're missing out on a ton of new customers that you could be getting on a daily basis. But first, let's talk about why you would want to market on YouTube. I'm sure you've heard of the term social networking or social marketing. Well, YouTube is more than a video site, it's a social site, and has a ton of user interaction each and every day. So if you don't like the idea of social marketing, then YouTube can be your answer, because it is a social networking site. Since uploading videos to YouTube is a form of social marketing, it only makes sense that one of the easiest ways to get traffic to your website from YouTube is to let your friends and family members know about the YouTube videos that you created. Right? On YouTube, and social networking sites in general, you can make a lot of friends quickly. A great way to make relevant friends on YouTube is to subscribe to channels of users who create similar videos that you do. Some of these users will in turn subscribe to your YouTube channel just because they want to make new friends also. So when you create a new video, guess what? Your new friends will get noticed that you created a new video. Oh, and by the way, I use the term YouTube channel because uploading videos to YouTube is like having your own TV station. Viewers can tune into your channel to see if you have anything new, and can watch whatever you have to offer, and watch it anytime they like. But showing your videos to friends is just one great way to get traffic to your website. Another great way is via classified ads. There are 2 great classified ad sites that I use to get traffic to my website, and if you want to make your YouTube videos very popular and get more subscribers to your channel, you will want to link to your videos via classified ad websites. One great classified ad site that I use is usereads.com. It currently costs $9.99 per month to post ads on this website, but it is definitely worth it. With your $9.99 a month membership, you can post unlimited amounts of classified ads. This means that each time you post a new YouTube video, you can market it via your usereads.com account and get more traffic to your video. With more traffic, you get more views and more subscribers, assuming that your information is awesome. But you don't have to stop at classified ads, you can also market your YouTube video via your blog. In addition to uploading your videos to YouTube, you can upload your videos to your blog and create something that is called a video blog or vlog. Video blogs are just what they sound like, blogs created out of videos. You will want to do some blogging and pinging to get the search engines to index your content, and also will want to do some RSS marketing to get others to insert your blog content onto their website. But you don't have to stop here. You can also do some viral marketing. Videos in and of themselves can become viral, but the kind of viral marketing I'm talking about is with free ebooks. You can write ebooks related to your niche and distribute them around the internet via free ebook directories and article marketing. With the ebook directories, you simply insert information about your ebook and include the link to your PDF ebook and submit your info. With article marketing, you can write articles about a particular topic and submit them to the article directories. You will want a link to your free ebook page where others can download and read it. You will want to include a short blurb that others can pass it around freely, and not modify its contents. In your free ebook, you should include links to your YouTube videos so that you can get traffic to them, and build your YouTube channel subscribers. Do you see how easy all of this can be? It's very simple, and once you start doing it yourself, you will see how easy it is too. Good luck with your YouTube marketing efforts, and I wish you the best in your YouTube marketing campaigns. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about 5 ways to market your YouTube videos. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.